Welcome to Safelane USA, where we take you under the hood and beyond the surface of America's most iconic cars. Today, we're diving into a true muscle car legend, the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396. Some people mistakenly call it the 394, but the heart of this beast is a 396 cubic inch V8 that defined an era of raw performance and aggressive styling. Let's take a full tour of what made this car one of the most respected names in muscle car history. The 1970 Chevelle SS had a look that stopped people in their tracks. Its wide, sculpted body lines, muscular rear fenders, and a long, imposing hood made it instantly recognizable. The blacked-out grille, flanked by twin-round headlights, screamed performance. SS badging was tastefully placed, and the optional cowl induction hood with functional air scoop added serious attitude. You could choose classic color combinations like cranberry red with black stripes or forest green with white stripes, giving the car a bold, period-correct appearance that still looks stunning today. Chrome bumpers, rally wheels, and a dual exhaust system finished off a package that looked as powerful as it performed. Inside, the Chevelle SS 396 was all about simplicity and purpose. You had a choice between bucket seats or a front bench, typically covered in durable vinyl. The SS version came with a special dash layout featuring a 120 millibar speedometer, optional tachometer, and engine turn trim. If you chose the automatic transmission, you'd likely find the horseshoe shifter in the center console, which added a sporty flair. The cabin wasn't loaded with luxury, but it had everything a driver needed, including an AM radio, optional, air conditioning, and a solid steering wheel with SS badging. Rear seat room was adequate, and the trunk space made it practical enough for a weekend getaway or a night at the drag strip. Now let's talk performance, because that's where the Chevelle SS 396 earns its stripes. The 396 engine actually measured 402 cubic inches for 1970, but Chevrolet continued calling it the 396 for branding consistency. The base L34 engine made 350 horsepower and 415 lb-ft of torque, while the high-performance L78 version cranked out 375 horsepower. Paired with a Muncie 4-speed manual or a Turbo 400 automatic, and backed by a 12-bolt rear end, the Chevelle could do 0 to 60 in just over 6 seconds, and run the quarter mile in the low 14s. Impressive numbers for the time. The F41 suspension package added heavy-duty springs, shocks, and sway bars, giving the car better-than-expected handling for a big-body coupe. In terms of value, the 1970 Chevelle SS 396 was priced around $3,500 new, depending on options. Today, these cars are prized collectibles. A well-preserved or fully restored example can fetch anywhere from $50,000 to over $100,000, especially if it has matching numbers and rare factory options. The L78 cars are the most valuable, given their limited production. So that's your full review of the 1970 Chevelle SS 396, a car that captured the essence of American muscle. If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and join us here at Safelane USA, where we keep classic car culture alive. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next ride.